Welcome everyone once again to the channel. Today we are back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you a new VPN app that can help you get a stable connection while browsing online. This app is available on the Google Play Store. Before we begin, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment if there's anything you don't understand so you don't miss any future videos. Now let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store, where you can easily search and download Android apps. In the search bar, type the name of the VPN, which is Internet Piercer. This app can help you get a fast and secure internet connection. From the results, look for the correct app, take note of the name and the icon, and then tap on it. After that, install the app on your device. Once the installation is complete, tap the Open button to launch it. Before moving forward, remember that on this channel, we always share apps that help you improve your browsing experience. Now let's continue. When you reach the home screen of the VPN, you'll need to make a few simple settings so that the app can provide a strong connection. The first step is to tap the three lines at the top. From the options that appear, select Update Servers. This refreshes the app resources to ensure you get the best possible performance. Next, choose a server that works well in your location. Tap the server box and pick one from the list. For the purposes of this video, I'm selecting the server shown here, but you can choose the one that performs best in your area. After that, you need to select your country network name. Tap the box, then use the search bar to find your country. For example, I'm searching for Uganda. From the options, choose the All Network Uganda UDP. Since today's video uses UDP settings, select a network name that supports UDP. If UDP doesn't work in your country, simply choose the correct option for your region. Next, if you ever run out of time while using the VPN, tap the Add Time button to extend your session. This helps you continue using the secure connection without interruption. Finally, to start the connection, tap the Start button. As you can see, it has connected successfully. That's how you get a fast and secure internet connection using Internet Piercer. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. See you in the next video.